guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih sudah klik video ini. Ya guys, kita lanjutkan video reaksi kita terhadap reaktor dunia yang akan menyimak video Putri Aryani. Dan kali ini saya menemukan seseorang yang mengaku sebagai pelatih atau coach vokal yang berasal dari Afrika Selatan. Tapi ini banyak sekali orang mengatakan memang dia adalah seorang profesional. Dan kali ini dia akan menganalisa suara Putri Aryani yang menyanyikan lagu Who I Am bersama Alan Walker dan Peter Elias. Nah, seperti apa reaksinya dan juga tanggapan beliau terhadap video Putri Aryani tersebut. Jangan kemana-mana, langsung aja kita cek ke videonya. Let's go.
Don't say this, don't say that.
Such a beautiful song, just simple, beautiful. Putri Aryani, one of my favorite singers from Indonesia, doing a Alan Walker song together with Peter Elias from Norway.
Jadi ini adalah salah satu penyanyi favoritnya dari Indonesia katanya ya.
G'day everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Johan Bester, your vocal coach here in Johannesburg, South Africa, where it is quite cold in the southern hemisphere at the moment. I'm going to be checking out, of course, Putri Aryani singing with Alan Walker, whom I didn't know at all.
Dia belum kenal Alan Walker?
Before I heard so many of you ask in the comments on my previous Putri video, please do an analysis of this song. Please listen to the song. So I listened to it, and then I studied Alan Walker a little bit, and I was like, whoa, this guy, over 3 billion views on YouTube on his one song, which, by the way, there's going to be an analysis of on my channel soon. You should check that out. So please subscribe.
This is how I ended up making a song with Putri Aryani.
I'm sure people will love it.
Yes, thank you.
I had even made some cool friends there, and I just had to come back soon. Luckily, I booked another performance on Indonesian TV to play the same song, but this time it was with the amazing Putri Aryani. You know, Simon Cowell's favorite?
Golden Buzzer.
We bonded during our rehearsals, and I was really inspired by her story. Actually, she reminded me of a song I was working on at the time. Based on my own journey as an artist, I realized she would be perfect for it. Only 2 months later, I flew her down to Oslo to record, and the response, it has been overwhelming so far.
Yeah, the people, they love Putri all over the world, which is so good and so appropriate. I think, obviously, her voice and the way she sings is special. But I think one of the reasons so many people connect with her is because she is special as a human being. So now we're going to check out the song together, and I'll give you my thoughts.
Come on. Silahkan analisa kalau gitu ya.
Interesting animation. I know that Alan Walker is also into gaming things. Looks like a game. That's Peter Elias.
Don't say this, don't say that. I'll make my own mistakes till I'm wrong in all the right ways.
I won't break just like that. Save all your tears, you don't wanna waste them on me. Head in the clouds, I do not fit into the crowd.
Okay. I love when people do that in a duet. Where the female vocal and the male vocal sings on the same pitch. Because obviously normally a male vocal is lower, right? Sings lower. Because if they do it well, as they do in this case, the synergy of the two different, very identifiable sounds. So her sound is very distinct, his is distinct. But the synergy of the two just makes for a very interesting sound. I mean, in duets, it's also cool when the two voices sing different pitches, different melodies at the same time, so we have a harmony between the two voices. But man, if they do that well, sing on the same pitch, it really creates a beautiful thing. So I think there's going to happen some multi-layered duetness right now.
Sepertinya memang dia tahu tentang teknik suara ya guys ya.
Sort of Arabic.
Iya betul, seperti Arabi.
Love that chord that it finishes on. Now, so that was so cool for me. That's by far my favorite part of this track. It's the second half. So she sings her verse on the same pitch as him, like I mentioned, between C4 and A flat 4. And also she sang the low F so beautifully under control. She has such good technique. And then when he joined her, they sang on the same pitch. Then they sang an octave apart. And then they sang in a harmony.
Iya. Memang beneran tahu kayaknya ya. Ilmu vokalnya matang banget dengan menganalisa dan juga menjelaskannya ya. Bahkan dia tadi sampai di ending-endingnya saya nggak tahu ya guys ya. Ternyata di depannya itu ada kayak piano yang dia itu sempat katakan nada mereka itu ada di C berapa tadi ya sama F berapa. Dia tahu loh nada itu ya. Kalau orang yang nggak tahu musik atau nggak tahu nada itu nggak akan bisa menganalisa atau tidak bisa menyebutkan suaranya Putri tadi tingginya sampai di nada mana, suaranya Elias itu sampai mana gitu ya. Dia bisa mengatakannya. Artinya dia beneran. Dia beneran mengatakan, dia mengaku ya. Tadinya kan dia mengaku dan dia beneran. Akuannya itu benar kalau dia itu seorang vocal coach ya. Dan dia mengatakan melatih banyak orang di Afrika Selatan. Kalau kita bayangannya orang Afrika Selatan itu kan mungkin ada warna kulitnya ya guys ya, agak berbeda. Tapi dia kok tidak mencerminkan Afrika Selatan ya. Tapi yang jelas memang dia tinggal di Afrika Selatan. Nggak hayal kok, nggak disalahkan. Artinya gini, ada orang Indonesia pergi ke Jepang. Nah, kalau dia katakan kamu tinggal di mana sekarang? Nah, apa yang disebutnya? Nggak mungkin dia bilang, walaupun dia orang Indonesia, saya tinggal di Indonesia. Melainkan dia akan katakan, saya tinggal di Jepang. Begitu kan guys ya. Jadi jangan katakan, loh kok berbeda ya Afrika Selatan seperti ini dan itu dan gitu ya. Nggak semuanya orang Afrika Selatan itu berkulit gelap, melainkan juga banyak yang tinggal di sana yang kulitnya memang tidak gelap ya. Jangan katakan bukan dari Afrika Selatan. Dia sendiri menyebutkannya dari Afrika Selatan. Dan memang channelnya setelah saya lihat dan saya cek-cek lagi, memang negara asal dari pembuatan YouTube tersebut adalah di Afrika Selatan. Ya, memang beneran di Afrika Selatan ya guys ya, tidak main-main. Oke deh, terima kasih banget buat pelatih vokal dari Afrika Selatan ini. Dan saya senang sekali dengan kehadiran Anda. Mudah-mudahan sih Anda akan mereaksi video Putri Aryani lagi. Karena walaupun Anda katakan baru pertama kali dengar nama Alan Walker, setelah Anda lihat, akhirnya Anda kaget kan? Alan Walker itu memiliki jumlah tonton view-nya berapa? Nah, itu dia ya. Ya sudah kalau gitu guys, buat kalian yang belum tahu channel Reactor ini, channel Reactor baru ini, silahkan aja kunjungin channelnya. Seperti biasa, link channelnya sudah kami lampirkan dalam deskripsi video ini. Terima kasih banyak buat kalian yang sudah menyimak. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe for step closer. Don't go anywhere. Stay with me. And jangan lupa berkarya hari ini. Bye.